Hi everyone, today I'm going to tackle about the examples of limits of a function, properties of limits, and limit of a quotient.
So, we will evaluate limit of given functions. I have one problem here to answer. Example, how to find or answer limit function to the given value of x. So let's try. We have limit x approaches 4 of x minus 4 over x squared minus 7x plus 12. First, we can substitution. We will see if the denominator will equal to 0 and or the numerator, just leave it or don't mind it. So we will change the x of 4 because x approaches 4. We will try if it is going to equal. So 4x squared minus 7 times 4 plus 12. So, and 4x squared 16 minus 7 times 4 28 plus 12. So 16 minus 28 plus 12. 16 minus 28 equals negative 12 plus positive 12 equals 0. So the limit does not exist because the numerator is 0. By using substitution, n over 0 is DNA or does not exist. Limit does not exist. If we will try or use another technique of one of this is factoring, maybe we can find a function that will exist until it going to near to the value of x. So by using factoring, x minus 4 over x squared minus 7x plus 12. We will know that the denominator, if we will factor out, will going like this. X minus 4 over x minus 4 minus 3. So where did I get the x minus 4 and x minus 3? So 12 is factorable. So the factor of 12 is negative 4 and negative 3. If we're going to multiply negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. If we will add negative 4 plus negative 3 equals negative 7. So in this time, cancel out the remaining, the remaining is negative 3. We will have 1 here because understandable 1 here, and the remaining is x minus 3. So we will evaluate the limit that approach 4. So in this case, we'll substitute for the value of x. 1 over 4 minus 3. We'll see that 1 over 1 or 1, therefore the limit exists to 4 by using factoring technique. So this is the answer. 1 over 1 or 1. Limit exists. Next is find the limit of the function by using properties of limits. Example, limit x approaches a of f of x equals 4. We have a value here of f of x, which is 4. By using that information, what limits that will approach a of 4f of x? What we're gonna do is take the constant, move to the front, so equivalent to 4 times limit x approaches a of f of x. Instinctively, so you know for f of x is 16. If you want to show your work, this is the way how to write, and at this moment we will change the fx of 4 because the value here of fx is 4. So 4 times 4 equals 16. So the answer is 16. Next is limit of a quotient. There is a law of quotient given that limit x approaches a of f of x equals L, and limit x approaches a of g of x equals M. By evaluating limit x approaches a of f of x over limit x approaches a of g of x, wherein limit x approaches a of g of x is not equal to 0. So example, limit x approaches 3 of 2x over 4 minus x. So by evaluating limit x approaches 3 of 2x over limit x approaches 3 4 minus x. So by changing here of x of 3 is 2, 3 here is the x, the value of x, over 4 minus 3. So 2 times 3 equals 6 over 4 minus 3 is 1. The answer is 6 over 1 or 6.